everyone, this is Jahnavi. Today here I want to say about how to create a food ordering menu by using the HTML, CSS and by using the post method and get method by using the EJS files. Let me show my code. This is the my code. First you want to create the sign up functionality and login. After that you want to create the login. This is the HTML and CSS code. It represents a basic web page for a sign up form and with some styling. Let's break down the code by the step by step. First you want to create a doc.html. This is a declaration defines the document, the type, the version of HTML being it is used for this HTML5. In this case HTML lag is equals to en. This is the opening tag for the HTML document. It specifies that the document is in en. Next head. This section contains the meta information about the document and links to the external resources like style sheets and scripts. In case it includes the meta char set, it sets the encoding the document to UTF and which includes the most characters form and all the human languages. Meta name. This is it is a viewport properties for responsive to design, ensuring that the page width and matches the device's width. And title, actually we know title, it is the web page which appears the browser title bar or tab. And style tag, it in the style tag we want to write the CSS properties, we want to apply the CSS properties. And first like body, it is selector, it is used to center the content body both horizontal and vertical using the flex box. It is called a set as a background image for the page. Next, container, this style sheets the form container get a fixed width padding border radius and a subtitle box shadow. And h1 header one tag, it selected the setting the font size and adding some margin at the bottom. And next, label, this property making the both boiled and giving some margin at the bottom. And input type is equals to text in and password and email. This selector styles the input fields with the padding, margin, border and border radius and properties. And next, submit form. In this submit form I kept the setting it's with padding, background color, text color and adding a hover effect. Next, I opened that body tag. Next, and this is the opening tag. In that inside we want to write the information. Next, I open the div class with that contains h1. It is a sign up page by using with Firebase. And next, this is the required sign up form. Next, with this help of we want to create the same login page also. Next we want to attack the server.js. Let me explain the code. This is a node.js and express.js web application code. It is a basic server for handling user registration and login form using the Firebase for the storage and password hashing. Let's break down the code by the step by step process. First, we want to express. It is a popular web application framework for the Node.js and password hash. This is hash a library. It is used for the hash the passwords. And body parser, it is a middleware for the parsing incoming request data. And next, Firebase admin, it is a library for interacting with Firebase services on the server. Next, installs the express app. Create an instance of express application by calling express. Configure the body parser for the Johnson, and URL come encoded the data and the body parser. And from the public set the view engine dot ejs. This is the recording views. And next you want to install the Firebase admin app and you want to install the Firebase admin Firestore also. Next we want to define a various routers app.get. This is app.get function. And when a get request is made, root URL, and it serves the dashboard.html file located in the public directory. And sign up form and the submission with submit sign up submit. When a post request is made to sign up submit, it checks if an account with the provided email or username. If already exists, it is the person one, it is a collection in the Firebase file store. If an account already exists, it sends a person in indicating that the account exists. If no matching account is found, it simply says a new document, person one collection with the provided username, email and hash password. And after successfully adding the new account, it defines the user to the login.html page and form submission, and login will be submit. It is a post method. A post method, it is made up of the login submit. It checks the provided username exists in the person one collection in Firebase file store. If a matching username is found, it creates the result, verifies provided password against the hash password, store it in the database using the password hash, and it is verified. If the password is verified, it resend a food view. If the password does not match, it does not match, username is found, it sends a fail response and start the server. The server is started and listens to the, I choose the 1000 app.listen 1000. Please note that this is a code, is a basic example and should be enhanced for the production use, including error handling, security measure, and more robust use management features. Additionally, the code assumes the existence of HTML files like dashboard.html, login.html, and potentially food.ejs for regarding views. Let me show let me show my code with running. Wait, cmd node space server.js. It's running. Localhost 4000 I will do. Okay. Next, after that, this is my welcome to website. Next, you want to sign up. Next, I enter name and I will give email.com, and again I entered my password and submit. Wait, this is already existed, so you want to change and submit. This is also existed. After that, okay, after that we want to store Firebase. Once you check the Firebase, get started. Firebase Firestore database, we want to click. I keep the person one, so click the person one and check the details. Okay, this is the required output. Next I will show. This is my project, A to Z food items shop. Just if you have any queries, you want to just click and enter your name and enter your email and enter enter your required phone number. If you have any query you want to write and submit, the data will store it in the database. For thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.